The non-powered HydroBall system is a patented non-powered automatic tube cleaning system used in commercial and industrial buildings to reduce energy wastage in chiller plants. It is manufactured and marketed by homegrown local enterprise HydroBall Technics Southeast Asia. Chiller plants in commercial buildings are known to make up almost 35% of the building's total energy consumption. It is common for the efficiency of the chiller plant to decline over time due to loss of heat transfer in the condenser as a result of scaling and accumulation of fouling deposits in the condenser tubing. For this reason, the central aircon chiller has great potential for energy wastage, which can be as high as 25% to 30%, depending on the frequency of the tube cleaning regimen. Besides helping to eradicate such wastage, which contributes to climate change, the non-powered HydroBall system helps to prolong equipment life. With continuous innovation, the non-powered HydroBall system is now one of the most widely patented products in the world. The non-powered HydroBall system does not require any prime movers like pumps, compressors and diverters to power its tube cleaning action. It uses the energy from the existing flow to circulate cleaning balls through the chiller condenser tubes. It uses 3 innovative steps to curtail possible losses when a tube cleaning system is retrofitted onto an existing chiller plant. Using a dual-loop link pipe configuration, it is able to prevent warm water from entering the condenser inlet, unlike other existing systems. This innovation prevents an increase in temperature of the cooling water flowing through the condenser or heat exchanger. The non-powered HydroBall system uses a patented design that allows minimum head loss compared to other systems that may impede the flow of condenser water flow. It uses a patented funnel-shaped design that cleans the sponge balls by removing dirt from the surface of the ball. This design also maximizes the flow rate of condenser water and prevents sponge balls from being trapped. With its simple but innovative design, the non-powered HydroBall system is able to guarantee no loss of sponge balls during the tube cleaning process. The non-powered HydroBall system shows that with the right skills and resources, combined with good quality, value and service, local companies are capable of developing world-class products.